that possibility for some strong severe thunderstorms does exist later today. So here's the severe weather outlook, and we're talking about the time frame, sometime around 4 p.m. and after till about midnight when we could see the severe thunderstorms across North Texas. Initially, I think we'll have that isolated tornado threat, then the large hail damaging winds as we head later into this evening. So again, make sure you have a way to get the watches that we will likely see at some point, and those warnings we could potentially see heading on into this evening. So again, not everyone will see the severe storms. We'll have that cap in place, but as it breaks a little bit later today, we will have initially in our northwestern counties those storms that get going as the dry line and front begin to approach, and those get a little more organized, probably right along the front. Then we'll have some activity perhaps out ahead of that as well by the late afternoon and early evening that we'll have to keep an eye on. But then as the front begins to work its way into the North Texas, into the Metroplex, heading into this evening, we'll see maybe a line of thunderstorms rolling through the area with that hail and wind threat you see around 10 p.m. moving right through Fort Worth and Dallas, and then probably before midnight or just after all that begins to work its way out of the area. We'll have some partly cloudy skies overnight. Things will begin to settle down and it will turn much colder. So from the upper 70s this afternoon, dipping down into the mid and upper 30s for tomorrow morning. And then those daytime highs on Friday, or Thursday, I should say, will not get out of the 40s. Friday, we're back into the low 50s, but it's going to be a cold one as we'll dip down into the upper 20s and low 30s on Friday morning. A cool start to the weekend before those temperatures begin to warm back up, upper 60s Sunday. And then we're back to the 70s once again with that chance for some rain and thunderstorms heading into next week. All right, back.